Hi, good Monday morning. Woo! All right, we're in the chair here. We're getting settled in. It's Monday morning. It's June 24th, a little after 9:30. Hopefully YouTube's up here and rolling this morning for me. Let's see. Anybody jumps in here? Gets to check out a little bit of live trading action here with the AI Auto Trader. Got the chart up here for the NQ 30 range.
Order filled.
Okay, getting a little bit of a pullback here. We'll see what's going to happen. Had the NQ $50,000 one-day pass. Hit a nugget this morning. Hopefully you had one on your end as well. I've got it on 3 machines here. Took it on all of them.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm guessing the YouTube isn't working right. That's my guess. Let me go out and see what's going on here. Sucker. Okay, guess we are live. Live now. Let's see what it says here. Let's see here. OBS. Not that.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, good. Good. Thanks, Scott. Appreciate that. Yeah, it took me a minute. Okay, here we go. All right, good. We did switch over the account last week, so I keep thinking we're stumbling here, but we're up and rolling. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Let's go. Thank you, Rory. All right, good. Everybody popped in. I see the numbers now. Thank you. All right, good. Yeah, we're rolling with the AA Auto Trader this morning, and we had a NQ $50,000 one-day pass hit us right off the bat this morning. We pulled it in right there at 8:30. That's the new time that we put in the spreadsheet for us over the weekend. So she jumped in about 8:35 and rode that one down. I did get 27.70 on this one, so we'll take a look and see what happened there. Why we didn't get the full $3,000. Could be kind of interesting story here, so I'm curious myself. Kind of want to go into that trade and see what exactly happened there, so we can try to make it a better setup. For some reason, we didn't get to our 3,000, which we were hopeful for. I'll just dig in a little bit here and see what's happened.
Order submitted.
So we bought 8 of them at 52.75. The other 2 bought at 5,300. Yeah, it could be the profit window, Rory. That's what I was thinking, so I was going to try to dig in here. Now, the profit window should be about 2,000, and then our full target winners should be 3,100. So I was just going to try to dig in and just see what what may have happened. So we'll just be able to see this with this ruler, hopefully, where we entered and where we exited.
Order filled.
Need to change this to ticks. I like looking at this in currency quite a bit, but to do what I want to do right now, I want to see how many ticks we went down So we went down 57 ticks and sold.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
If I could ask you guys, even Rory on your end, how much money did you guys get in profit on the NQ $50,000 one-day pass?
Order filled.
Did your guys just make it to the 3,000, or were you just a tad short as well? Because I've got two computers here and I've got them both at 2770.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, Rory's hit 2038. Okay, so yours definitely hit the profit window. These two here, I'm just trying to figure out why
Order filled.
why would have sold at 57 ticks instead of yeah, Robert, yours at 2783 as well. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. I guess I'm not sure what happened. We do have them set to 62 ticks, so without just making up stuff, I would say that maybe that's slippage or something unusual. That's all I know right now. And Rory's was at 2038, so that definitely tells you profit window there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ours must have
Order filled.
triggered and then slipped. Is all I can guess. Very unusual. That was a nice trade though. So whoever got it, they got a nice chunk of cash in the
Order
account this
filled.
morning. So that's the good news. So we had a nice trade on the NQ this morning on the $50,000 one-day pass right there. That was kind of what we were looking at. I'm going to get that one going on my machine here too, and I'll have to change the time. I want to change the time so that we can get some trades in, even though it's not in the prime time. It's close. I mean, when we look at the data on Fridays, and Scott, thank you for helping out in Discord on Friday as well. Really do truly appreciate that. Yeah, we were working on the optimizations, and what we figured out is that the one-day passes is really where most people are trading, myself included. So we really focus on those to try to give us the best opportunity windows, and so we sent out quite a few updates. And the way the fastest way to update them is to use the tool, the RLT tool. So if you're not familiar with that, you can go into Discord, and Rory did a nice video on how to get that tool up and running, to just import the strategies like that with the new changes. I open each one and then change the times individually.
filled.
It's not overwhelming. It's about a 10-minute task for me to go through
Order
the
filled. Order.
6 or
Order
7
submitted.
strategies and change the times. All right, ODP. Let's get one going before the price falls apart on us here today. What is the NQ doing today, guys? He's a little slipping down just a little bit more. 20,000 looks to be in the rear view mirror now. We'll see. We'll see if it can hold up today. A lot of us are hopeful.
Order
I
filled.
know a lot of us are holding NVIDIA and other stocks that trade on the NQ that we're hopeful that continue to do well. So that's always a
Order
challenge.
filled.
Wanting it to go down because we're in a short trade, or
Order submitted.
wanting it to go up because we're in some sort of a stock that's traded on this market. But let's go ahead and get one going. So we got quite a few of them in the green again this morning. Had a really nice move on the NQ that we caught with quite a few of these strategies.
Order filled.
So this is the AI Auto Trader. It's software that we develop at Right Line Trading, and these are all strategies that I have running, trying to pull a little bit of cash out of the markets. Speaking of that, let me do the disclaimer super quick. So all these signals and trading opportunities provided both orally or electronically that I disclose are for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team have no responsibility for any trades that you may make, either for profit or loss. Participation in the futures market involves substantial risk. Should be understood that you could lose a substantial amount of money and quick. So please research the finances with your financial advisor before making any trades. Okay, so yeah, here's the leaderboard this morning. Again, a really extensive leaderboard this morning out of the gate here. And we had a couple of really nice NQ trades that really added to the leaderboard. It picked that, okay, so we had the $50,000 one-day pass took a little nugget out of the market too, it looks like here. So we had a couple of them catch that move. Let's take a look at the, so anybody who's a member knows potentially, let me bring that over. Robert put a nice XML file, which is a strategy template, which each one of these are is a strategy template. Robert put a really nice performing one in our Discord last week. And when I was looking through, I snatched it over the weekend. And
Order filled.
man, when you guys read what he wrote and took that picture, woo, I'm excited for today to see how it does and throughout the week.
Order submitted.
But he had a,
Order submitted.
just opening it up over here, I think it's in technical
Order
trade
filled.
talk. Let me see, no,
Order
strategy.
submitted.
Improvement ideas. Here we go, it's in improvement ideas. I'll bring this over real quick and we can kind of take a look at it. Robert, is this you, Robert Kelly? Are you
Order
Robert
filled.
Kelly? Robert
Order filled.
Katl? If you are Robert, thank you very much for putting this in Discord and helping us. We heard that you're a legend out there in the trading community. Yes, thank you. Really appreciate you joining us here with RLT and look forward to our collaborations in the future.
Order filled.
Really exciting. Wanted to just share this with the rest of the community, and that's what we're all about, Robert. So truly appreciate what you're doing for us and with us.
Order filled.
Hey, a legend. I don't know. That's a true story. That's what I've heard. And again, we're all in different circles, but that's what I've heard. So I really appreciate it here. So he leveraged the. I think he started with the retirement plan and ran it through some optimizations, and pulled off a really nice one that had about a $6,000 win over the last couple weeks. So really excited to give this one a try, and any other ones that you run through that, Robert, we'd love to give them a try and kick the tires on them. Just know that we've tried that a few times early on, and yeah, I got sort of a bad taste in my mouth when I would look at my actual results and then my sim results and then my optimization results from the back test. We could never really nail it down a one-for-one trade. Just sort of off the cuff, on 10 trades, we would hit maybe like 8 of them exact, and then we'd either miss a trade or there was some sort of, I'll say discrepancies. So I kind of got a little bad taste in my mouth and just said, back testing isn't, truly repeatable or reliable. So I kind of left it, but really exciting what you got going on there, and looking forward to learning from you, because again, I just tried it for a few times until I said, I don't know, I can't figure it out, that kind of thing. So looking forward to seeing how that one does, and I've got it running. I think it has some times in there that it may not even be awake at certain times, so I'll have to kind of look at it a little bit closer and see what times it's trading. But maybe you can mention in this Discord when it is trading. That way I don't have to stop it. But do you have other ones too? That retirement plan, is that the favorite one?
Order submitted.
Okay, yeah, definitely love to continue to collaborate with you, Robert. If you have more, just drop them in. It can't hurt. And I'm just kind of looking at the chat there. Listing video.
Order
Yeah, I
filled.
do. I'm kind of like Robert. This is what I call our R&D machine, and I continue to try to build strategies here that produce and then produce on a regular basis. So I look at my data like
Order
once a
filled.
week on Fridays or so,
Order
and if
filled.
I see one that's got a good track record, I'll share that back with you in the community through Discord, through that spreadsheet. So these look really good and juicy right now, but if we look at some of the track record of some of them, there's reasons why you don't have them. But there are some new ones that we're developing that you might see here, but we don't want
Order
to.
submitted.
You know, we kind of want to wait till they have some sort of history and track record of consistency before we share them. Okay, good. I had a trade this morning too on my accounts here, and I took that one same trade, so that was a nice one right here. Let's get this one going again. So to get a strategy going, there's a few different ways. You guys can do it on your end if you own the software. You just obviously see that this one is doing well, and you disable it and then edit it and put your own account in there. That's all you would do. For me, because I want to keep this data intact so I can share that back with you on Fridays, I'm going to do a new one here. And to do a new one, you just can right click, and it's a right click on the mouse, which is strange. But I do a new strategy, and I just go grab that template like Robert did. He put the XML file, which is called a strategy template, into Discord for us. So that's what I'm grabbing here. I go grab this template and load it. And for me, it's I want to do the NQ $50,000 one-day pass. And again, this is the prime time. This is when the data showed us that we would have the best chance at success. But again, I like to do it when we're live. So we're going to set this up to just trade all day. So it'll take these trades all day for us. Just wanted to double check. Yeah, we got 62 ticks. So on our trade this morning, we only got 57 ticks. So we must have had some real slippage out of the 62. Sometimes when it gets into the profit window, it sort of goes back and forth. So I guess maybe some of us got the full one and some of us got a partial. Robert, did your NQ 152nd take a trade yet today? So when I load a new strategy, one thing that I always got to check is the instrument. The instrument just stays with the last one that you had selected, so I just got to double check that all the time. So now I have this robot or bot or strategy armed, and it's going to be trading with this account right here. So if we get another setup, all right, okay. Yeah, of course. No, I know. That's the pressure. I tell you, I swear to God, that's why I was like, oh my gosh, we got to go live. Like, hopefully we can, no one has a crystal ball. That's the good news, right? None of us have crystal balls. So, that's the way it goes. And, that's what I always say too is it doesn't win every trade. Like, none of these win every trade. That's not what they do. Like, if you buy the system and you think you're going to win every trade, please don't buy it. I'll give your money back immediately right now. But if you have some sort of patience and can, work with this software, here's a heck of a nice trade right here. This NQ $50,000 one-day pass. 2 minute. Come on, where is it? Oh, it's under sim. Oh, got it.
Order submitted.
Okay, so the 2 minute, the 2 minute just hit its profit limit. So the NQ 2 minute $50,000 1 day pass just hit its trade of the day. It looked like it took the trade
Order
right
filled.
here. So it took a long entry here. It hit the target here. It said, you know what? I'm a pig. I'm in the food trough. I'm going to eat, baby. It said, I'm eating. It took another entry, and then it took another winner. So it's out. It's out at $3,000. So heck of a good trade for the NQ 2 minute $50,000 1 day pass, guys. Woo! Making some big money today. Awesome. So let me go back to here and we'll be able to see it coming up the leaderboard right here. NQ $50,000 1 day pass, the 2 minute right there. That's the one we were looking for.
Order filled.
Oh, bam, we got the YM up there too. Here we go, YM 1 day pass. Oh man, this is exciting. Rue, good morning. This is all because of Rue. Rue, thanks for putting your comments over in the YouTube videos as well. Thank you. Rue's our guy. Rue, way to go, man. You're making this trading really super fun. Let me get rid of this box here.
Order filled.
Sorry about that. So here's the leaderboard. Boy, we got a nice trade in this YM right now going on. Let's go check this one out. It's moving up the leaderboard. It's on
Order
number 2
filled.
now. So the YM, the Dow Diamond, hot trade coming up.
Order filled.
YM, Dow,
Order
oh,
filled.
come on, baby. 1 day pass. Boom. Profit target. Done for the day. $3,200. Oh, it took a double entry too. Man, it caught that upswing. Caught it here. Long entry. First one. Got its first target right here on those first 10 contracts. It jumped back in for another 10 and it rode that one up right there. Fully automated system, pulled in $3,200, 2 trades. I think it might have took a trade earlier. Okay, so this one's traded a few times this morning. Look at this. It's taken quite a few trades, but it's taken them all the way up to $3,200. Wow. Woo-wee, let's go. One of the best days of trading that I've seen the auto trader right here, guys. We got 3 1-day passes up in the top. And it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Yes, let's go.
Order submitted.
All right,
Order
so we got to make
filled.
some money on our own accounts. We can't just keep having
Order
fun with
filled.
simulation.
Order
So
filled.
let's take a look and see what we're going to trade. We got the NQ loaded on one of them.
Order filled.
And I didn't enable
Order
it like a
filled.
bonehead here. Let's get this enabled. Okay. So if the NQ market delivers us a good trade setup, we'll go ahead and enter. I missed one. Darn it. Missed that one. Shit. I missed this one. This cross. So we put these crosses on the chart to signify a good trade setup. And the strategy takes the entry after the candle closed. So I'm trying to grab this candle. I always just look at what we call it heat or pullback or stop loss. So this one came back, and I should change this off currency. We talk in ticks here. That's the sort of the term of how far price moves. They call them ticks. So this one pulled back 20 ticks on me. That one on the PA account, that wouldn't have worked. That one would have lost. So that's not good. But with any of these, these other looser strategies, we would still be in this trade right here, which we are, I'm sure. So this one, the haymaker's in right here, of course. This is my favorite strategy right here, this haymaker. NQ30 range haymaker. I made a living trading this strategy.
Order Order canceled.
So it's at $885 this morning. I started my system about 8, this system right here about 8 o'clock this morning. I've got 3 of them going. You guys know as the weekend kind of goes through, I reset data and all those kind of things. So it's I don't start right away in the morning on Mondays usually. So the Haymaker's having a nice outing this morning. We'll get the we'll put this one on one of the live accounts here, the PA accounts. This strategy's super hot. This is the Haymaker. It's a version of it. So we'll get the Haymaker going.
Order submitted.
Rue, are you making any money? Can you tell us in the chat? I might have missed it. Maybe you could tell us how you're doing this morning. Rue's a heck of a trader. Trades gold mostly. Let us know what you're trading too.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man, what a move. What a move. The NQ is just moving beautifully right now. Oh, what do I want to do? I want to do this one, not this one.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'll do this one. Have so many good ones, I want to just figure out which one to trade.
Order filled.
Shoot. Man, look at this NQ coming back. I thought 20,000 was in the rearview mirror. Not so fast. Not so fast. Looks like signal B would be really nice right there. I bet it's coming up the leaderboard too. Here's the leaderboard this morning on this machine. Oh, wow. Look at them good ones. Everything's... Haymaker.
Order filled.
Okay. So beautiful trades. I'm going to load up the Haymaker and put it on one of the PA accounts. And Scott, you were watching and you were mentioning, yeah, this one, the PA account one is a little tough with the NQ, that 20 tick trailer. It took me out quite a few times last week too. So kind of experimenting around with some different ones that, you know, I call them a little bit looser, but you know, I got these up in the, you know, $55,000 range, so I'm $5,000 positive. You know, when you're a little bit closer, you want to just kind of be a little bit tighter. But once I'm a little bit looser, I don't mind taking one of these that, you know, take 46 or so ticks of heat. You know, especially when I'm trying to get, you know, 200 ticks a target. That's, you know, significant. So that's what I'm going to do on some of these bigger ones that I've been doing is putting these, kind of my favorite is the Haymaker. So I just check the times, kind of mess with these. I like that number. I like 1,000, 2,000. Yeah, let me not be greedy. Let me go this way.
Order filled.
Okay. Love that setup. 46, 180.
Order filled.
And so do 2.
Order filled. Order filled.
175. Okay. I got this one going. This one's going to be running the haymaker. If the haymaker gets into another trade. Oh, and it did right here. I guess it's right in one right now.
Order filled.
Haymaker's going for a long trade here, and we're going to do this one. We're going to jump right in this one too on our live account here. I'll get her set up. Looks like PA 175 should jump in, hopefully on candle close. If it closes red, oh, let me go back in. Oh man.
Order submitted.
Yeah, we did. We got in. I have that candle close parameter, and I sheesh, boy, it's good education for me right there. Sergio added me a candle close parameter that it won't take the trade unless it's in the direction of the candle or direction of the trade. So this one, it wouldn't have taken this trade if I would have had it set up right. We'll see. We'll see. Sometimes it knows better, but I'll show you the parameter that Sergio programmed for us, and we're going to get that on Charles and Rory and Brock's machine today to test out as well, so that you guys should be able to have it on Friday or so, if not sooner. But it is something you have to check in the parameters, so I didn't check it. We'll see. We'll see. This is a good trade. Had a heck of a push to the upside. The institutions are now selling their shares that they just bought at a premium. We'll see if we can capitalize here a little bit. Trying for the home run. Let me check my audio. I just saw that there sounds like relaxation. It says I can hear you, so I hope that means okay. But I know that I always have a hard time with the audio. My mic somehow keeps resetting on me.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's down to 40 again. Huh. All right, so it's just a daily activity is to set the mic every time I open it. All right, listing video, how does that go now? I just turned it up. I don't understand why my mic is so ridiculous. All right, so we're in an auto trade right here. We got a PA account that we're trying to move the needle on. Thank you, listing video. Appreciate you guys helping me out there. Sitting here, I can't tell. I have no visibility. Hoping for one more push to the upside. Going right into that pivot too, so this is a tough zone here. This one's probably going to fall away on me, but okay, so some people I think are, it's weird, Robert. Some people, the audio is not as good, I guess, and some it is, so it's strange. That part's unique as well. So we'll try to get some money here in this PA account. We got it moving in our direction now. So we'll close this trade off at least on break even, it looks like. Had a huge move. Caught this cross here, back here. This one would have been a nice one to get too. Heck of a run. Here we go, $1,000 bill. Come on, baby. Ran right through that pivot. Here we go. Boom! Got our profit for the day on that one, $1,000. Way to go, guys. Awesome. Good trade. That one didn't look promising at first. Boy, I tell you, I got to change this setting. In fact, I think I might ask Sergio to go ahead and put that he said, the easiest way for me to do it was to give that checkbox, but man, that checkbox, I got to remember to check it, and I just don't have that, don't have it down yet to go in and check it. Thank you, Rory. That's this is all Sergio. You know that. I didn't do anything. But anyway, that was a good trade. That was a good trade. We got $1,000 on that one. Let's go ahead and try to get another one going. And you know, once you really get going, and I do, I get these this trade copier over here going. So why don't we do that? Another new strategy. Go get that same one, the haymaker. Thank you, Rue. Haymaker. Okay, so we'll do a little trade copier. We'll try to get the trade copier going this time. So we'll do another 1,000. Try to stick with that, and go to and here we can set this up for a couple. We'll go with number 138 to be the lead dog. And now over here, I'll go set this one up. This is a trade copier. This one's the Replicanto from Flowbots. 32. And we'll try to copy it to a couple other ones. The way this works is you know, whatever one you want to use. So this is the leader account. This is the boss, and the boss is kind of the one that I have loaded over here, right here, 138, 138. So that's the boss. And now I just you know, grab whatever followers that I want. So for me on this one, I think I'll just try to do the top two here. So number 132. We'll have that be the follower on this next trade. And we'll kind of take a scan over the leaderboard. All right, Dr. Jeff, good morning. Whoa, what did he do here? Let's read this one closer. Pulled out $2,700 on 4 eval accounts with the NQ 2-minute retirement plan. Let's go, baby. Dr. Jeff, way to go, man. I'm proud of you. Congratulations. So fun. That's awesome. Yeah, that's really exciting. That's exciting. This is really cool that, you know, Rue, thank you for helping us and, you know, putting us out there and pushing us to scale up, because this sure helped a lot of other people too. So thank you. Way to go, Dr. Wild. That's awesome. Yeah, I saw that here too. That 2-minute retirement plan was rolling for a minute there. Going to look through here real quick. So we got quite a few of them up here. Let me get this opened up a little bit more. So that was the one we took. We had quite a few good ones here this morning. Like Dr. Wild said there, thank goodness he was trading that one. I'm so glad that someone was trading that on an eval account to make that money count. Awesome. Three contracts. Good strategy. That's a nice number. Three, I have a, if you can kind of see it here, a three here too. I was discretionary trading three when I see the cross sometimes. Oh, sorry, Robert. The audio was good before, and now it's annoying. Oh, we jumped in a trade somewhere. What did we do? Oh, okay, the big dog's eating right here. Uh-oh. Where are we at? Okay, so we took. Oh no! I still gotta go. I still screwed up. Oh man, this is painful. I needed that. I needed that to learn. What an idiot. I was just talking about it. Sergio gave me this beautiful feature. One of the best features ever. I'll show you. When we go into strategy down here under signal A, boy, I really need some help with this one. He entered this new filter for us. Only take the trades in the direction where the candle closes. That was a perfect example. It didn't close green, but I took a long trade like an idiot. So I'm going to ask him to make that default. And then if someone doesn't want to do it, they can do that. But we're going to make that default candle close because I don't have the capability to go in and keep changing it. I forget about it. Okay, great. We'll get that one so it's default. But now I've got it in here. So candle confirmation, I really want that. Here we go. We're going to jump in a trade right here too, hopefully. Nope. Close. Yeah, trading at 250, you got a lot of room there. 3 is a nice number. Good, that's awesome. That'll move the needle a good bit. 2,700. I'll take a look at this strategy, see why it's not trading here in front of me. What's going on? Anything? I have candle close on that one. That's probably why it hasn't taken a trade yet. Okay. Dr. Jeff, are you still enabled and is it still rolling? If the 2 minute gets in another trade, will you enter it with your evals, or are you done for the day? If anybody else is out there trading, let me know how you're doing. Love to read that in the chat. Makes Makes this really exciting. Rue made 5,700 on the GC. Rue, congratulations. When I looked at the GC this morning, it looked fairly flat. Let's take another look. Let's first look here and see if we've got anything in the leaderboard from the GC. I didn't think so. Well, I tell you, it's really important to trade all these instruments because, just doing the top 5 every week, this week, like Friday this week, the NQ was like the top 5. And the week before, though, it was all different instruments. So I'm glad that we have them in all these different instruments, and they are worth trading every once in a while. Yeah, I don't see any here, so we're not catching anything on the GC this morning. It looked flat too, the market. Let me look at it here now again. Rue can pull a rabbit out of the hat, no matter the situation. Okay, we ended up jumping in right here. Let's take a look at that trade. Okay, here we go. Come on, baby. We got good trades going on. We got a lot of them. We got the one-day pass going on here, too. So we're full in on this one. We're going to create a new one here. We got big trades here. 2 of them. We got the $50,000 one-day pass, I believe. Nope. Nope. Okay, we're just in on the PAs. I'll take a look at that other one, why that one's not trading. Son of a bitch. Here we go. All right, trying to go short. Trying to get through 50. 50 is a tough number. Didn't make it. Took a little bit. Had that trailer help us get started. Not put too much risk into that trade. Gotta look at it and see why I'm not getting this one. Son of a gun. Let's see if it would have won. I don't think so. So it would have made 1,500. 1,500. Had a really nice move up, and now it's consolidating here. We're going to get another long trade, looks like. Okay, long trade coming up. Our software puts the cross on the chart to let you know the trade setup's looking good for us. As soon as candle closes, as long as the candle closes in the direction of the trade, which means this time it looks like it's trying to go long, so it has to be a green candle. And if it takes a red one, it shouldn't. We just reprogrammed it so it only takes it in the direction of the trend, so we'll see. Oh, yeah. So that candle closed red. We didn't take the trade. That's awesome. Kept us out of a loser there. Oh, Fernando, good morning. Oh, 5 250s. Ooh. What sounds like relaxation? Give us a little bit of the backstory there. What were you trading? How did it go down? Fernando, the rules are, if you read them and they talk about them in videos too. They don't want bot trades. They don't want bot trades. They don't want high frequency trades. They don't want a lot of things, so it's hard to tell what they exactly do want. But they do want a semi-automated system, and they want you to have a trading plan. So I've tried to figure out exactly what that means. I've learned some things by watching their videos and such. They don't want you to DCA, which is dollar cost averaging. They don't want you flipping, which we don't know here in chat exactly what that means. It means two things to us. At least I've heard two good definitions from the community here. Flipping either means as price goes to the upside, you're going long, and then as it goes in reverse, you just hit this reverse button, and now you start going short. That's either one thing that they call flipping. They don't want that, and they don't want dollar cost averaging. So other than that, you should be good to go. We've been using these one-day passes and all these strategies here and there. I'll move stops and targets. So I don't know what they can see on their end. I have no idea. But we've got quite a few people using these one-day passes to try to get to the PA zone. Once you get to the PA zone, you really should take a closer look at their rules and just try to follow them, because ultimately it's a partnership, and you want to try to do whatever you can to keep up. And they're going to be changing the rules real soon. They sent out a survey, so if you haven't taken the survey, maybe watch some of those videos and take the survey. But Apex has some new rules coming soon, I would guess. Okay, let's take a look at the leaderboard, see if anything's changed much. This is the leaderboard this morning. So again, I started my machine, this one particularly, about 8 o'clock this morning. So I may have missed some trades at 3 and 5, 4. We did set some strategies up now to trade at like 3.
Order filled.
Nice short trade here. Whew. Coming down the mountain. Oh, okay, good. Fernando, yeah, I know this system is off the chain, man. So I bought this company about 2 years ago, so I can't take the credit for designing or developing it from scratch. I can take credit for optimizing it and trying to improve it with the team here, but the same team came with the company, so I've got the full team behind me. But yeah, this system can rip off some money quick. Again, since 8 this morning. We've developed these strategies here. We call them one-day passes, Fernando, where these are 10 contract trades. So 10 contracts, in this case, trying to get on the NQ 62 ticks will get us to the $3 grand. We fell just a tad short on that trade this morning, and a lot of us did. Rory got 2,000. A few of us got like 2,800. Typically, it ends at 3,000. So there must have been a little bit of slippage on the NQ this morning. But other than that, these are the lay of the land from this morning so far. Nice short here. See 19.9 in the windshield coming up. The strategy that I'm trading, Fernando, just if you wonder why it's not maybe taking trades here and there, this particular strategy that I love and trade all the time is what we call the haymaker, or the cross indicator trade. So it called the short right here for this trade. The cross goes on the chart. For this one here, the long, it called the long on this trade. It called the long right here. Some of the strategies took this one right here and ran it up. We took this one here on this account here, number 175. That's where that one traded. Now that cross is totally flexible and programmable. So if you bought our system and you didn't like that specific trade setup, we've got 3 different signals for entry. This is just one of them. We call this one signal A, the cross, and then signal B is this triangle. So this is our price accelerator triangle. You can set up your strategies to enter on that triangle. And then we've got what we call signal C entry, and that one's really, really new, and that's a Unorenco. Oh, good, listing videos running the NQ8 Unorenco on signal C. Way to go. Way to go. So that one's a brand new signal. About 2 weeks ago we released it. And just have a few strategies there. So way to go, listing video. I'm impressed. I haven't really traded signal C much. Might be missing out. And we look right here, there's a signal C up here, $1,000 this morning. Another one, signal C. There's a signal B. Yeah, I figured this one would be doing well. This is the signal B on the NQ30 range. Getting some nice continuation trends, which is what it really strives in. Here we go. Now we're going to take a trade. So, this is a momentum-based trade. The signal A, it's a momentum inverse trade. So it's momentum was pinned to the upside here with this blue cyan color. And we have it flexible where you can program it, but we have it at the 80, the RSI line, as it's starting to release into the 80 there. Once it gets to the 80, we send the fire signal for the trade. But then we got a little bit of stuff going on behind the scenes about candle close and different filters, but that's kind of the setup. So again, candle closed wrong direction for me, so we didn't get into that trade. Got to get that out to you guys. I'm really pushing the team here. Sergio's hopefully getting it loaded on Rory and Charles' machine today to make sure they can test it too. I do test it here, but I just like to get more people hands on it, making sure that there's no other bugs. But I want to get that to you real soon. Really important strategy filter. So here we go. We're going to go short again. This time it closed short. So we'll see. Looks like it pulled back last time. It came right into this zone, and then the buyers came back in to save it. We'll see what happens this time. Kind of hoping we blow through 900 here. Hamaz, good morning. Hope your system's up and rolling for you. Welcome aboard. Yeah, I wanted to thank some new lifetime members over the weekend. Thank you for joining us with the AA Auto Trader Revolution. We're going to be here for you and try to optimize these every Friday, give you the best parameters that we can to deliver some profits to you and us. We're traders too. That's the cool thing. I'm here on the right side of the chart with you. I'm here sweating bullets too every day. This is not easy, but it's fun and exciting, I'll tell you. Had a heck of a day last Thursday. Made 17,000, I think. I did a video. I usually do videos on days that I make a huge windfall. Here we got a nice trade here. We're pushing up these PA accounts, get them back into prime time here. Running around 900, 19.9. Looks like it's going to hold 900. picked off a couple $100. Oh yeah, Scott wants a strategy that gets him $200 every day. Scott, there you go. How about that? I love that strategy. You know, if you really could do that, and someone had the, I don't know what it takes, consistency, patience, strategy, but to really trade, you know, 20 accounts every time and try for 200. That's a real novel idea. I think it was last week, I copy traded 16 accounts at one time and got the 1 day pass. 16 NQ 30 range 1 day passes at one time. Man, that's so much money when you look at it. 16 times $3,000. Oof. Jeez. $48,000 on one trade. Now we all know that's not like real money, but it's close. Very close to real money. Let's get signal B going here. I want to get we're getting some really nice good runs here. We'll put signal B on number 46 there. I'm gonna go 1,000, 1,000. Try to pick something off here. We'll go a couple contracts, and I want to trade this account here. 38, no, 46. Okay. So I just armed another. Oh, man. Let me edit this. Yeah, no, the signal B I don't have to worry about. It's only signal A that has that candle close. Signal B, we don't have that parameter. We don't need it. We use bias on signal B. Our bias indicator is this colored background. This one, you know, to be going in the positive direction, it's going to be either blue, green, or, you know, one of these different colors. And then, you know, going short, it'll be another color. So we won't take trades unless it's has a real bias in that direction. Oh yeah, Hamaz, you got something there, a Google Sheet somewhere. Where is that at? Is it in our, you have a Google Sheets that he created that'll unravel the best strategy. That's what I'm talking about, consistency and profitability. That's super helpful. It's in Discord, thank you. Let me bring it over. Maybe you can help guide me to it. And you know, the funniest thing, Hamaz, everybody has different names. Like, it's the funniest thing about working in this business. You know, usually you have one name on YouTube, another name in Discord, another name in your email. Here's general chat. What channel did you put it in, Hamaz? Oh, you're the astronomer. Yes. You are amazing. You pulled a darn rabbit out of your hat last week, I'll tell you. 4 250,000s, right? Okay, now let me see the spreadsheet. Where did I see you put something somewhere? Oh, you had a nice chart. Beautiful chart. Oh yeah, look at this beauty.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're in a trade here. Oh, come on, baby, go up. Easy.
Order filled.
Oh man, that was hard. Ouch. Ouch.
Order filled.
Mm.
Order filled.
Okay, let me get this back over here. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I saw this, so I wanted to ask you a couple questions. Thank you for popping in this morning. Help us decipher the data, because when I look at this, I see that, 8% or 7%, obviously it looks like, if I looked at the data, it looked like this one in the top right, the CL 50,000 one-day pass, was our best opportunity. Is that the one that you would, after you look at the data and, discern what's going on in here, is that the best one? And it looks like the YM is 8.3, and these numbers are probably really small for most people here. I've got a big monitor that I'm looking at.
Order submitted.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Maybe, yeah, thanks. And a lot of people, you got a lot of people excited when you put that in there. That's really awesome. Can you kind of help us, decipher the data a little bit? Is that how it's telling us that the CL is probably the best one to trade? We don't know who Nightbot is. It's obviously some sort of YouTube bot.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, okay, good. I'll look at that. There's a link in the bottom of the Discord. Okay, thank you. That's really helpful. I want to go look at that. Looks like we took another trade here. I missed this one too. Let's see. I had a nice short entry on that signal B, but it came back just and wicked me out at the very end. Look at that darn wick out. That's okay. Signal B jumps in again here soon. These little wick outs are part of trading that makes you wonder, like, man, if I would have just put 2 more ticks on that thing, I could have been in that trade still. It's the way risk works. Wow. There we go. We're going to jump in again here. As soon as we get pivots out of the way, signal B is stopped here probably by pivots. These pivots that are down here, it won't take trades into those. Once it clears them by 2/3 of the candle, it will then take a trade. So if we can clear this, we'll get in a signal B trade here next candle, I believe. Man, got wicked out on that thing. Come on, look at that. Jeez. Whew. Trading is tough.
Order submitted.
Take a close look at the leaderboard here. So these are done trading for the day. They closed on their profit limit. We have them set at, this one's set at 3,000. Okay, there's the 2 minute. I wondered where it went. So We had a this one went out, and these two are out with their profit limit. This one's now done trading because the trading hours are closed. These still should be trading here. So we got in on our signal B now. We'll see how this one goes. Decided to take trades at maybe the wrong time today now. We'll see. This one can really run it up though once it gets going. We'll get her going in a minute. I've had this one run me up about $6,000 before. Once signal B can get going, whew, man, buy the right amount of contracts. Those were the ones that had the best performance last week too. So every week we do strategy optimizations and then give you guys the feedback of the results. And we put it here in this channel. This channel kind of RLT can only edit, so no one can go in here and kind of change any of the numbers or whatever. And this is where we put new software updates also. So if you buy our system, this is where you would go and get your new software. But yeah, the NQ really ran it up last week. So, and again, it was a 4-day week last week, so it wasn't even a 5-day week. But these were the top 5 last week. So it was, we did have a signal B there and signal A. So those two tended to lead the way last week in performance. Take a quick look at the YM. That was a heck of a trade that the one-day pass had this morning. Really excited about that too, because it looked like that was one in the astronomer there, Hamaz there. He did a nice data analysis tool there for us. And okay, cool, man, really nice. He says that those are the strategies are tested daily and results are compared. Man, really helpful stuff there. I was just talking to my team about AI agents. Did some research over the weekend and been doing research all along, but AI agents and pattern recognition, that's where we're heading with our softwares. Try to create some pattern recognition that could potentially lead us into a new place. Right now we've got the AI with the bots, but want to try to create some pattern recognition. We know that certain patterns tend to be more profitable, so that's what area the team's all researching. Oh, wow. That's really helpful, Hamaz. He created a 30% rule, so if it's breached, that it will tell us inside the Google Sheets. Wow, thank you. A little applause there, man. Awesome stuff you're bringing to the table. Thank you for sharing so much. Really helpful. Okay, so signal B. Want to try to get in this trade here. Hopefully it doesn't try to reach back to 50. 850. That's our number we're trying to get away from here. Those numbers are tough. Okay, this one closed on its profit limit, a loss for the day. Shut that one down. I want to get signal B going though. That one's going to light it up here in a minute, guarantee it. Okay, we'll take another run at signal B here. Oh, wow. Good teamwork. Yeah, I've seen Lackey's name there too. That's awesome.
Order filled.
Well, you guys are great. I love that. That's super exciting. Here's that signal B I was just mentioning that's going to get on fire here, hopefully.
Order filled.
Um,
Order canceled.
hmm. Hmm. All right, we're going to get this one going here again, hopefully. If we go short, might catch that one with quite a few strategies here. Great, that's exciting. Got a good round robin there with the team, trying to get that information all put together for everybody. Thank you, Hamaz and Lackey and Rory. Thank you. It's good information for everybody to use. Really helpful.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I want to get an ODP going here. I don't know what am I missing here? Everything looks good. Oh, might be dead already. That one might be history. That might be the problem. Yeah, that one's goner. Okay. Shit. Getting a little push.
Order submitted.
Trying to save the price a little bit. Wow. Goner. She's a goner. Take a quick break. I'll be right back.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, looks like we got a trade on here. We're driving up. Let's go. Here we go. Signal B. Come on, baby. Run away with it. We almost hit the profit limit. Got close. Trying to get $1,000 here on the actual PA account, not on the specific trade. On the overall it'll close the session if it gets to 1,000 like this other one did. 175 closed. So these two closed as well. So I think it's got to get another maybe a couple $100 back. Oh, but it's here we go. Big trade. Come on. Nice run up. All right, so she closed at its profit limit for the day, $1,000. Got an extra $1,100 on that deal. Nice trade. This is a good one to trade today. I'm going to go ahead and put this one on my other ones over here. Try to get those back a little bit. So it's a good signal B day today, guys. This is the one that's worth playing. It looks like. Get this one going on the other ones. Take a look at the leaderboard here. Wow, holy moly. Everything's making money today, just about. Woo. So the 2 minutes, those are out. They made their profit limit for the day. We got the NQ50 range. It's done trading, but now here we got some of these. Oh, so these hit their limits too. They're at 2,000. They're done for the day. So we got a couple of PAs. We made 1,000 now. We lost a couple thousand too. So about break even. There's signal B, and then the haymaker. So those are the ones that we're trading right here. Let's go ahead and get this signal B switched over. And we'll do this one to the trade copier. So we're going to go to number 138. And we're off. If signal B comes through again, we'll jump in with these two. Oh, let's grab number 132 and try to... Oh, it's already there. 132 and 146. We'll try to bring those three back. Or go down another 1,000 on them. Ooh. Yeah, T.S. Long, if you could mention maybe a little bit more information about the fast track trading that you said there. I'm not familiar with that either. Hamaz was wondering too if you could maybe just give us another, or maybe we could even, maybe you just say, hey, Google it. Maybe that's something that's out there that we could just Google, fast track trading. Okay, we're going to get a signal A trade here. What do we got running on signal A? Oh, got either one. Okay, so we're going to take this trade. We're going to take A or B on these. That's awesome. That's a guy who likes to trade. Okay, coming out right at 900. Those are always tough numbers. I always talk about them, like the even numbers, 100, 30, 50, and 70. Those ones are all really, really tough numbers to break. Price wants to come back to them because a lot of people trade those numbers. Those are just common numbers that, hey, I'll take 10 contracts at 19,900. It just makes it an easy number, I think, for people to put in. Go ahead and take a little bit off this trade just to kind of, not go backwards if we can help it here. So getting a nice push to the upside. We're running the trade copier. We've got 3 PA accounts running on this one trade. Looks like we're up about 500. Here we go. Got a nice push. Starting to lose a little bit of steam here. There we go, another nice purchase. Okay, we got a little bit of back on that one. And we're set up for a signal A or a signal B trade. So if we get the price accelerator triangle or the cross indicator, we'll jump in on these three. And I've got them, you know, basically built down here. The haymaker, that's what took this trade right here, that cross, the haymaker. And then signal B is armed and ready to roll down here. If we see the price accelerator triangles here, we should get in a trade. So we kind of cleared through the 900s, took all the contracts out there. The institutions kind of, they bought and then they sell, and they sell for profit. That's how they make money. And signal A is going to jump in again if we close with a green candle. Nope, had a red candle, so we'll wait this one out. Now, probably won't take a trade unless she comes back a little bit further, because our RSI line is up a little bit too far now. Our software tries to keep us out of you know, trades that don't have enough momentum to move, but not always perfect. And we're going to flatline here at 900. This is we jumped in thinking we were going to go short here. We'll see. So we jumped in with all four of these. Going short on the signal B. Looks like the institutions want to hold 900 for us here. Uh-oh. I have trades going in two directions here. Oh, go down. Oh, I hope it don't run out of gas now. Come on, buyers. Help a trader out here. Oh boy, this is a no trade zone again, isn't it? Oh man, right in this 900 zone, not gonna get movement out of it. Just gonna wipe us out here. 1111, lucky number, come on, this is it. It's a lucky number, 1111, it's the angel number. It's my good luck number, it's my room to my condo, 1111. Come on, baby. Be the trade of the day. We'll close out after this trade, especially if it's a good one. End on a home run. Come on, end on a home run, baby. Could be a red day. Looks like red day for Miller time. Easy does it. Come on, someone go buy some contracts on the NQ real quick for us. Oh, bad day, bad day. Yeah, Scott, we're struggling. We're gonna be trying to get some fresh air here in a minute. It pulled it back from the 90s though, so. Oh man, I just took more contracts. Oh baby, come on. Be the trade. Here we go. Here we go. Oh man. Oh. This one's wearing me out. Here we go. Woo. All right. Now we're talking. Woo, man. I love trading all of a sudden again. Should we go ahead and take a couple of these off the table here? The way we can take some trades off the table is you can grab that the profit target and just wipe it across the price. As you kind of saw, I did that there. We'll let these play out now. No, still under review, Scott. Still under review, so I'm suspicious. I'm suspicious. Two say, I can bring it over. Two say, let me go look at it again, and I'll bring it over. Two say something, and two say something else. Okay, we salvaged that trade though. That one was a rough one. Yeah, pending. Pending and under review. These are the PA accounts. Oops. And 2 of them are pending payment and 2 of them are what they call under review. And I wonder if they're under review because, you know, I took one heck of a drawdown on one of them. I took a big time drawdown on one of them. And then I came back though too. Like I lost 5,000 one day and then made 3,000 the next day. I don't know if that's going to be too erratic or what. I assume it will be, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't know if anybody else has payouts coming and if they could maybe, you know, let me know if they you know, are under review as well or if I'm the only one. Go over the leaderboard one more time and then we'll close the broadcast. Had a couple of good trades here today. We had the, oh, did I just make that Apex one-day pass? Oh my goodness, I made the one-day pass in the background. Holy moly, guys, we didn't even see this one. We made the ODP. ODP scored for us. We're at Apex 1, 2, 12, 35. What instrument was I trading? NQ 1235. Oh shoot, it made this trade way back here. Since 11 o'clock. All right, the ODP scored for us, guys. All right, Marcia, congratulations. Marcia, I should say it better. I'm saying it wrong. I'm saying the American version. Marcia, congratulations. 1,900 on the CL one-day pass. Woo! Awesome, so that just started. I believe we just started it at 11. Awesome, congratulations. I guess we made one here in front of us too. We didn't even realize it either. We caught this one here on the NQ, I guess. So we caught that one, rode it right up to the tip, right there to the tip. Great job, Arcia. So proud of you. Really excited for you. Yeah, the one-day passes are super exciting. We're really starting to make some movement. All right, woo, that's fun. So we made one here too, didn't realize it. Oh, God bless you, Marcia. This is awesome. That's what we want to do, is try to help each other, you know, and there's got a lot of great people in the community here who are really, really helpful. You know, Hazam, which he has a different name, but yeah, the astronomer, Scott, thank you, Scott. So yeah, we're all just trying to make money together. It's really fun. It's not a straight line either. So, you know, there's plenty of speed bumps. Awesome. All right, so the CL just woke up, I believe, at 11.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Big shot of volume right there for something.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh yeah, one-day pass right here. We're at 621 on this one. Okay, all the big ones jumped in. Let's see what this trade looks like. Trying to go long here. This one's signal B. Sitting at 30. One of those numbers that are tough. All right, Scott. See ya. Have a great day. Thanks for all the help. You're a really great participant. Really enjoy your input. Hmm. Trying to push through 930 here. 930 is a tough number. And then we'll be looking to 950 if we can clear 30. 30's holding on tough though. I'll take a quick break.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, I'm back. Guess I missed that trade there. Yeah, Lam, I saw your message there. Yeah, you can give Rory a call. I was trying to put that number up there. Give him a call. He can, or we can show you right here. I can show you whatever. The Discord, we do the strategy optimizations every Friday. So we take a look at the strategies, how they performed, and then we work the numbers and the filters and the parameters to try to get them to trade better next week and put them back out in Discord here. But these were the top 5 performing strategies last week. Again, last week was a 4-day week, but still had some outstanding performance last week. So we put them in here every week. Every Friday, we do the numbers and put them back in Discord of how they did. But you know, we sell these systems, and we sold about 10 over the weekend. If I was lying, people would be in this chat going, "You're a friggin' liar." And they don't, thank goodness. Marcia had a nice one just a little bit ago, and others are, trading here along with us today. But yeah, we have all the data. You're welcome to give Rory a call. He can look at it and share it with you. In fact, the astronomer was here, and he's got a different name here in the chat. But he did a really nice spreadsheet in Discord with the ones that are the most profitable, and even put the 30% rule. I'll bring that open again real quick. General chat. He did a nice, so there's three people working this process, but it's Lackey, the astronomer here, and Rory. Rory's sending them the data, but they all have the system too. But he's created this nice pie chart for us, and tries to show us the histogram of the best performers. So here it looks like the CL 50,000 one-day pass, which Marcia just just scored on that she mentioned. That one's looking at 9.2% of our profit. Looks like the YM $50,000 one-day pass was just looking in short time here at this. It looks like it's number 2. So we have quite a few things there. Okay, look at the link. Okay, it keeps telling me that. Look at the link right below. All right, let me. Oh, here we go. Oh wow, beautiful! Holy moly! Wow, Hazam, look at you. Google Sheets master. So this is this a little overwhelming looking at it, but this is the data of all the profit I believe that these strategies have on each of these days. Wow, this is intense. I'm gonna have to take some time and look through that a little more. Thank you, man. That's huge. Really helpful. Look to the right. Okay. Well, this is good that you're actually doing this with me, so I can get any advice up front here. Okay. Look to the right. Oops. Scroll. Aha. Okay, so it made it pay out. Rule breached. Okay, so these are the 30% rule that he's looking at. So that's the data on how much profit they've had over time. So profit and loss probably. So that one would have paid out. Okay, so yeah, that's impressive. Yeah, that's really, really super helpful. Okay. Very nice. No, I'm going to really, take some more time and look at it when I'm not presenting, but really appreciate that. That's super helpful for all of us to look through the data like that in a different format. Lamb, you asked us, data. This in the NinjaTrader 8 platform is unbelievable when it comes to data. It keeps this trade performance amazing. Like it'll tell you exact trades of everything that you've traded. In fact, we can look at the trades that I had here on these accounts. Let's look at number 1235 today. That's the one that's my lead dog. That was an NQ $50,000 one-day pass trade. So we set these strategies up that takes one trade and it passes your eval for you. That one did that for me today right here. Let's look at the data so we can kind of see how the trade performance data looks here. Get the strategy going again. 38. Get on that next trade there. So I won't try to take the whole chart, but I do want to show some things so that some people who aren't familiar with our software can kind of see. This is that Apex account that I took that monster trade there. It shows $3,100 here, but again, we take out commissions. We lose commissions, so that's why it's 3,060 because of the commissions. So if we kind of then look at this, we can go into the trades. And again, I could bring it wider here. But it shows the account, the strategy that I was using to make that trade in, the entry time, exits, how much money it made. So in this one, we're trading 10 contracts, but again, they're not all available to buy at that same exact price. So the broker, they call it the market maker. I call it broker, but market maker, gives as many contracts as he has available at that price and gives you the next price available. So we got 6 of them at this price, 2 of them at this price, 1 of them at that price. But anyway, it'll show you the exact trades and all the data. And we can go look at that for every single strategy down to, the nth degree, which is pretty awesome. It's 11:30. I appreciate everybody joining me here this morning with the AI Auto Trader, and really appreciate everybody who's bought our system and joined the AI revolution. We probably have now, and I'll look exactly. We have over 100 lifetime members. I was thinking we might have over 200 lifetime members, but I bet we're getting close. So we'll take a look at that number and let you know. But we've got at least probably 175 lifetime members, and we sold I think 6 more lifetimes over the weekend. So appreciate you guys joining us here with the AI Auto Trader. We'll be here every Monday morning at 9:30 trying to slug through the markets and make some money with you. Everybody have a great day, and good luck trading. Bye now.